The security of operational technology, that is OT systems, has become increasingly critical in this connected world. OT systems control and monitor physical processes in various industries, including manufacturing, energy, and transportation. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Operational technology, that is OT security, is crucial for several compelling reasons, particularly as industries become more interconnected and reliant on digital technologies. The common threats we face in OT security include malware, ransomware, insider threats, supply chain attacks, and advanced persistent threats, that is APTs. A cyber attack on OT system can halt production lines, disrupt power grids, and cause significant downtime, leading to the financial losses and operational inefficiencies. Malicious actors could potentially manipulate railway signals or disrupt the operation of nuclear power plants. In an increasingly connected world, the security of operational technology systems has never been more critical. OT systems control the physical processes in industries like manufacturing, energy, transportation, and more. A breach in these systems could lead to devastating consequences from operational disruptions to physical harm. Here's why OT security is essential. Number one, protecting physical operations. Unlike IT systems, OT environments directly control physical processes. Security breaches can cause real world damage and safety risks. Number two, ensuring reliability and safety. OT security prioritizes the availability and integrity of systems, ensuring continuous and safe operations. Number three, addressing unique challenges. OT environments often include legacy systems and specialized protocols requiring tailored security approaches. The challenges in OT security are many OT systems are built on outdated technologies that lack modern security features. Upgrading these systems can be challenging due to compatibility issues and the need to maintain continuous operations. The most important thing is there is lack of visibility. Unlike IT systems, OT networks often lack comprehensive monitoring and logging capabilities, making it harder to detect and respond to security incidents. Securing OT systems is crucial to safeguarding critical infrastructure and ensuring the safety and reliability of industrial operations. As cyber threats continue to evolve, it is imperative for organizations to adopt comprehensive security strategies that address the unique challenges of OT environments. This involves not only technological solutions but also a culture of security awareness and continuous improvement. Let's look into today's headlines. NSA recommends restarting phone once a week. National Security Agency, that is NSA, advised Android and iPhone device users to restart their devices once every few days. Forbes reports that an NSA document from years ago, recently made public, offers advice on how to protect smartphones from threat actors and that occasionally restarting devices can assist in getting rid of malware and zero-day exploits that may be installed. Prime Minister Narendra Modi intends post election reforms to compete with Chinese manufacturing. If Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is re elected today for the third term, he intends to implement a number of business friendly policies, such as legislation that facilitate hiring and firing employees. In keeping with his election promise to turn India into a major hub for manufacturing, Modi intends to provide incentives for homegrown production that are based on current schemes for semiconductor companies and manufacturers of electric vehicles. The world's thinnest bezels may be seen on iPhone 16 Pro versions. With much slimmer bezels, Apple's next iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max are expected to improve the screen to body ratio. Leaks indicate that the iPhone 16 Pro will feature 1.2 mm bezels, while the Pro Max will have 1.15 mm bezels, a bezel that will be thinner than that of the iPhone 15 range. The displays on the new models will measure 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches respectively. 85,000 Yota clients have their accounts locked due to Synapse collapse. 85,000 users of the savings app Yota report that the failure of the banking as a service platform Synapse has prevented them from accessing their accounts for the past 3 weeks. A total of $112 million has been unavailable to the clients, according to Adam Mollis, co-founder of Yota. Yota is only one of several businesses affected by Synapse's collapse and the banking as a service company's conflict with banking partner Evolve Bank and Trust. WhatsApp is developing a new feature to let users post status updates from desktop app. Mac users can now share WhatsApp status updates straight from their desktop with WhatsApp's new feature. In the most recent WhatsApp beta for Mac version 24.11.73, accessible through the Test Flight program, beta testers can now experiment with the new functionality that allows them to share status updates directly from the Mac's status tab. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.